Hello guys, today topic is voice to text and audio to text with free tools. In my last video we had learned about speech to text, like we had some text and we convert them into speech and save as an audio file. So today we will use our mic to convert my voice into text, and also if we had some kind of audio file, or we are listening some audio and we want to convert that audio sound into text. So this is very easy. We will use pre-installed Windows features. We don't need to any third-party application. So let's start this. First of all, we will open Notepad. Okay, so then we will use the Windows feature called dictation. To open that dictation, we have to press and hold the Windows button on your keyboard and then press H. As you can see that this feature is now open. I just need to click on the microphone button and it will start listening. As you can see, the notepad is showing me some letters that I am speaking. So this is the very useful feature, as you just wanted to speak and want your voice into your text. Okay, so we have another task that is called audio to text. This was the voice to text, which is very easy. As you can see, I am speaking, and my notepad has all the text which I am trying to say or speaking. Okay, so now let's go to the other option, from audio to text. Okay, for this purpose, if I just wanted to convert my audio into text, we have to download a driver files from which you can found into the description. We will place the link into the description, so you can download that driver files and you have to install that driver. Let me show you, and we will install that driver into my PC. This is the driver files I have extracted. Open it. I will use this option because my window is 64-bit. Right click, run as administrator. Okay, so the driver is already installed into my computer, that's why it's showing me remove driver. Or if I don't had that driver installed into my computer, it will start showing me to install the driver. Okay, so it is already installed. I will close this window. Now let me show you the settings which I have to made. First of all, let me tell you why I was trying to install this driver and why I had installed this driver. This is just because I just want my listener dictation app feature to get the audio and send it to my notepad via the microphone. Okay, so let me show you the settings we have to made before start converting our audio to text. Okay, let me open my sound settings. Here we have. Once we will install that driver, you will see that cable input VB audio virtual cable. I will select this. Also, I will select this into the input, because this is my mic setting and that is my output sound setting, my speaker settings. Okay, so as you can see that both settings are selected. Now I have to open any kind of video or audio like this. I have this video This is the YouTube video. My listener is already running. If this has been removed, I can shift and hold. I can hold the Windows key on my keyboard, then press H. This is right here now. Let me clear this all. Okay, so once I will start my video, it will get the audio and send it back to my notepad as a text. Okay, so let's start. Click on it and click. So as you can see that my video is running and it is getting the audio and converting it into the texts. Okay, so guys, this is all for today. This is all free and you can use it anytime, but if you have Windows 10, and then you will be able to use these features. This is free. So guys, please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much.